New creators, stop copying viral creators the wrong way. Stealing their whole script or their video can actually make YouTube to flag your channel or even ban you. In today's video, I will show you the right way to copy viral creators and grow your channel safely. My name is Peace and I give tips on how to grow on YouTube, and I also bring you new updates from YouTube. Now, if this video is what you are expecting of or what you want, I want you to hit on the like button, subscribe and share to other creators so that they will know what's up on this video. Now, I see a lot of new creators making this mistake on this platform. They will find the viral person or viral creator that they love, and they will copy the person script. They will copy the person's script, they will copy the person word to words, and even short and even title, which is very, very wrong. The problem is that YouTube can detect reused content, and you know that they have really emphasized on it this month that they don't want reused content, AI, voiceover, and so many more. So you have to be careful on this platform. If you are flagged for duplicate content, your YouTube can remove your monetization or even worse, termination. So you have to be careful because they have emphasized on it many times, and still so many of you are doing it. Because copying word for word does not help your channel grow, because it is not original content. It's not your original content, and you will not have anything for your audience to engage on. So this is the right way that you can copy that your favorite content creator, that viral video that you have seen and you love. Instead of copying words for words, it is better you copy the strategy, not the script. And this is how you will do it safely and effectively for your channel to be safe. Number one thing is for you to study the structure of that video. Look at how they start the video. Look at how the person has started the video, the hook, and how they keep viewers engaged. Then you go and do it on your own. Ask, why did this video go viral? Always when you see a video that have gone viral, always ask this question: why did this video go viral? I know that many of us, the small creators, that we will still try it and not have it, but is it not better that you keep your channel safe? Like I will always tell you guys that this year 2025, growing channel is more difficult than other years, so you have to guide your channel safely. So ask, why this video, why did it go viral the way it went? Now take inspiration, add your voice, rewrite the script in your own word. What I do in my own is that when I watch somebody like Down the Creator or Echoes of Experience, when I watch their video, what I do is that I jot something down. Then I will go and prompt the GPT or any other platform that I can get scripts from. I will type in everything that I've jotted down, and then I will tell the thing to give me script based on everything that I have typed in. That is how I do my own, and that is the safest way to do your own. Also, add your personality, examples and opinions. Very, very important. Then the third point is that you should change your visual style. Change the visual style. Use your own B-roll or your own thumbnail design and add a fresh twist to the format. Think of it like you are cooking. You can use the same recipe but change the seasoning. If you follow this method that I've just stated now, YouTube will see your content as original, but your inspiration still comes from proven viral videos. This is how you can ride trends without risking your channel. So stop copying word to word. Copy strategy and not scripts, and this will help you a lot. And then keep your channel safe. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, I want you to hit on the like button. Do not forget to subscribe in order to support me on this platform, and also share to other creators so that they will know what's up in this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.